All right, what's up? Good morning, guys. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Sorry about yesterday. Actually had a family emergency, and that kind of, I wouldn't say messed things up, but unfortunately the stream had to come to a closing halt there. But yeah, everything is okay. Thanks, Mike. Actually, I had to rush my mom to the hospital. She was not feeling well. She had vertigo. She was throwing up. You know, didn't have she was having a hard time breathing and all that stuff. So yeah, just this has never happened. So it was kind of alarming. And obviously, it happened out of nowhere during the stream. We were just kind of getting going, and that's what happened. Hey, no worries, bro. All good. She's good now. She's at home. She's resting, so all good. But yeah, that kind of caught me off guard. So quickly had to rush over, help her out. Called the ambulance. Got on the back of the ambulance. Head over to the hospital. Make sure everything's okay. So yeah, that's kind of why the sudden departure from me during the morning. I did see though yesterday was pretty good though. It was a good day. So hopefully you guys caught some moves. I unfortunately didn't, but that's life. Things happen. We're here for a short time, and family comes first above everything else. So hopefully, obviously, God and family come first, and then we have whatever you're passionate about. For me, that's trading. And so here we are. We'll see kind of what things bring today, and we'll get right into it. So it's just 8 minutes till the 7 a.m. and we can see kind of what's happening. I got BTTC up on my chart here, and we'll kind of see what BTTC does. But outside of that, just quick notes. We got 8:30 a.m. today. There's a big macro event, PPI and jobless claims. Yesterday's July CPI came in relatively benign at 0.1%, and month over month 3.4%. 0.1% month over month, and plus 3.4% year over year. So we'll kind of see what happened. There was a big day for some stocks yesterday, so we'll kind of see where things head today. Futures are basically flat this morning. Market we'll kind of see. It's fairly early Thursday, but yeah, I'm looking for a strong day today, and we'll see kind of what the small market does. Myself, I'm obviously doing small caps more for between the 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. session, but I'm also doing larger swing trades. My gold trade is up. I don't know if anybody else got into gold. Gold and silver have been doing pretty bullish over the last few weeks. So if you caught that, good for you. ASTS, we're still up on that swing trade as well. But yeah, global macro, AI looking pretty strong. Oil is easing. In Iran Hormuz situation still at risk. South Korea's Kospi is up roughly 3.8% this morning, and Japan's Nikkei is up about 1.7%. So chip stocks are still leading the way. So if you got chip stocks, good for you. The Brent slipped towards $88, and WTI right now at $82 after the U.S. Crude inventories jumped 17.4 million barrels, the largest weekly build since January 2023. So yeah, this morning on the small cap momentum board, I was looking earlier at FRGT. Right now it's at $2.97. GXAI is also on watch right now at $1.5051. We'll pop that up on the screen here. GXAI. So this is one that I'm kind of looking forward right now, trading above VWAP, looking towards pre-market high. Looks like it has some resistance here at around 153. So above 156 could be a nice breakout. Ideally, Yeah, ideally above 160, I would say could be a nice clean breakout. So look at GXAI, could be something interesting there. Outside of that, Bitcoin, we will see where Bitcoin is right now, trading around 63,000. Let's see where it's at. Yeah, 63.5 right now. So it seems to be kind of dipping. I do see Bitcoin getting back under 60K in a few weeks, so we will see. It hasn't broke out of the 200 on the daily chart in quite some time, so I do see this is still pretty bearish. So if you're long bull on Bitcoin, I would probably wait before jumping back into Bitcoin. So right now, let's look at what happens in the next 4 minutes here as we await 7 a.m. Some PR news on the live wire, and we'll take it from there. But yeah, I'm looking forward to a good day today, and we'll see kind of what's going on. But let me know in the chat what you guys are looking to trade this morning. Mike, you looking to jump into GXAI? Watching that? What tickers are you watching this morning? I'm watching GXAI, FRGT, as you know. I got a few other ones here. I was looking at BIVI. So BIVI, I'll put them in the chat actually. BIVI, FRGT. We got GXAI. What else? I was looking at yeah, BTCC, but BTCC kind of got messed up there. And then this Q. Yeah, BTTC. I'm having trouble saying that. Excuse me. It looked like it sold off, so we'll see, brand. Although, you know, it could get back up over $1. It's potential. See if it can get back over $1. All right, FGI popping up on my scanner. Yeah, FGI just pulled away. What's up, Kev? Good morning, bro. Yeah, this just pulled away. You didn't catch it, eh? Oh, also one more note. I'm only going to be live streaming going forward Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the middle of the week. I need to, really focus on a few other things in parts of the business, and then also just personal development, going back to the gym, that kind of stuff. So I will still trade a little bit Monday to Friday. I just won't live stream on Mondays and Fridays. I'm trying to get in early, get my workout in on those 2 days, and a few other things. So I probably won't stream on those days. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'll be here, and we'll try to make the most of it. So that's kind of where I'm at right now with it. And this was going to allow me to create some other content. So I'm looking to create some more pre-recorded content around some other aspects of finance. So I'll be sharing that in the coming days and weeks going forward. But yeah, let's see. FGI is kind of pulled away. I don't know if I'm going to chase this at this point. So I don't know if it's even worth tracking right now. BTCC came all the way back to the 200 on the one. Oh, 620, you didn't get filled? That's unfortunate, man. You're not gonna chase it now, are you? I doubt it. I don't think I'm gonna play this either. It's out of reach. Doesn't look too good. I'm gonna go back to GXAI. Let's see what happens. GXAI. Okay, GXAI trying to hold VWAP. Yeah, don't chase it, bro. Do we get some news here? AMS got some news. American Shared Hospital Services reports second quarter and first half 2026 financial results. Let's see what this is. Chart's looking a little choppy for me. Volume isn't really there. Yeah, FGI would have been nice. When did you see FGI popping up on your screen there? This is delayed on here for whatever reason. Let's see if we can find something, man. I'll watch this right now. I don't see much. Oh, this got beaten up too, this last VWAP. Okay. Looks like BTCC found the bottom around 75 cents. BTCC now trying to hold 75 cents. Let's see where this goes. Thinking of taking maybe a potential stab at BTCC. I'm going to take a stab here at BTCC. We'll see what happens. Not expecting too much, but we'll give it a go. See if it can crack back out of this 200 resistance area, I guess, on the 1 minute chart. This might be a grind. We'll see. What's up, folks? Good morning. If you're tuning in, I'm back. Had a little bit of a family emergency yesterday, but we're back. We're back on the charts. We're here. We're ready to rock. We're ready to roll. I just got into BTCC at 80 cents, and I'm gonna see what happens. If it loses 75 cents, I'll probably exit the trade. FGI, man, FGI, you really missed that, bro. It's up to like $8 now. What the hell? You did a limit order at 620, yeah, and it just didn't fill. Yeah, that's the problem, bro. When you start watching like that always happens. You're watching something else, you get impatient, you start looking somewhere else, and then boom, you know, you're down. Now the move moved without you. Always happens. I get that happens to me a lot too. 12 plus. Oh my goodness. Were you looking at that 12 plus based on the daily chart? Yeah, you went back in history and checked that out. There was some good runners yesterday. Eh? Did you catch anything yesterday? What did you guys catch yesterday? Did you guys have a green day? I missed all of it. And I don't really day trade from my phone. I will do swing trades from my phone, but I don't touch any day trades. Yeah, I might do that. I might clear 848, stay above 7. Let's see. Are you going to play it anymore or just it's done with? I feel like you're talking yourself into jumping in. Okay, let's see if this can move, man. I don't like this though, the 9 crossing the 200 like that. It's not looking too good, but I'll give it a little bit of more time. If this loses 75 cents, I will exit the trade. Cool. Good luck, man. I hope you have a nice green day today. It's up to 8. Back to 784 right now. Let's see if this grinds. Let's watch while this is grinding. Let's watch FGI because that seems to be moving a lot more. Okay, this looks pretty good. It's holding the 9 on the 1-minute chart. This looks pretty good on 5-minute. Looks like it's built some support there at 765 on the 5-minute chart. Oh, you got slapped on BTC before? Well, I'll give it a go, bro. I don't know, right now it is what it is, I guess. I'm slightly up on it, but I'm not expecting too much, I'm itching to trade, so I jumped in and we'll see. Oh, this is losing the 9 now. Let's see if it can hold. Yeah, if it can hold above 465. Sorry, 765. You guys use TradingView for charting, or what do you guys use for charting, or something else entirely? Looks like it's losing that 765 support. It'll probably come back down to VWAP at 727. Let's see if it does. It's trying to hold. On the MACD. I only use MACD on my 5-minute. I used to use it on the 1 minute. I no longer use MACD on the 1 minute. Now I just use it on the 5. You see it here. Oh, okay. What's eSignal? I've never heard of eSignal. It's pretty good or not? And Thinkorswim is it's good, you know, it's got everything you need. BTC slightly down now on that trade. Just watching it on my other screen. Under 75 cents, I'm out. We'll see what happens on that. It's looking like pretty weak. Got FGI up on the screen here. Let's see if this can hold. It looks like it's trying its best to hold this 765 area. It's expensive. How much is it a month? eSignal. I've never used it or heard of it. There's so many tools, man, in the space. It's crazy. eSignal. I know, like, a lot of people use TradingView. That's kind of what I use. But maybe I'll check out eSignal. You know. Couple hundred a month, bro. That's expensive, man. And it's just doing charting. That's it for a couple hundred a month. There goes FGI with a nice spike. Let's see if it holds up on the 5-minute chart in the next 40 seconds here. This LNSR is popping up. Oh, there goes my BTCC, also popped up. Yes, sir. Let's see if BTCC can continue. Couple hundred a month is mad expensive, man. You got to be making serious dough if you want to be spending a couple hundred just on charting. That's wild. I don't think the average person is willing to spend that amount of money. Unless it's giving you significant edge. And I don't think it is, right? I wonder how many users they have for their tool. I feel you, bro. Okay, RMCF popped up on my scanner too. Wasn't this from yesterday? It spiked up yesterday, no? I feel like, or am I wrong? I wasn't really trading yesterday, but I feel like I saw this name. Yep, it did spike up yesterday. Spiking up again. Gears BTCC is going. It's grinding, bro. Let's go. We're up 6% now on BTCC. BTCC going. OFAL was a good one yesterday. Yeah, I think I had those up on my chart yesterday before I had to run. So BTCC is doing its thing. We're in at 80 cents. We're slightly up about 5% on this. Let's see if it can crack. See if it can crack out of this friction area and give us some more. I'm gonna hold. I'll take a L under 75 cents, but for now I'm still holding. I'm gonna try to hold through this. Get some sells here. Maybe set up another base here around 80 cents for another leg up is kind of what I'm looking for. We'll see. Yeah, that was it. That was kind of my thinking, bro. I felt like that was kind of the bottom. I kind of ignored some of the indicators, and I'm like, I feel like this is potential good area to entry. I'll get in at 80 cents. I'll risk 5 cents. If it goes under 75 cents, it is what it is. But I'm looking for up at VWAP 91 cents or above a bucket. It did get pre-market highs at 109, so I got some room to play with. Is kind of my thinking on that. So we'll see. Let's go back to FGI. This is moving slow, so it's easy to kind of monitor while you have other things going on. It's trying to hold it was trying to hold 765. It's still trying to, but I don't think it will. Let's see if I'm wrong. I think it's gonna fall off now. Finding some support here around VWAP, which is good. What else you guys looking at? I'm not really seeing too much. GXAI was another one I was watching this morning, just before the stream. I didn't jump in though. This is not looking too bullish right now. BTCC still moving nicely. We're back up. There we go. 586. I'd like to hold this till above 95. I think I can get $1 on this or more. Just gonna let it do its thing, let it grind out. See if we can do the same thing with GXAI. It's getting beaten up right now, but let's see. See if it comes down to $1.25, maybe it could be an entry. Pre-market low sitting at 122. Previous day highs at around 90 cents. Go back to FGI. Hey, it held. Found support there at 765. Good stuff. Could be an entry here, man. BIVI popping up on the scanner. BIVI. Yeah, you're talking about FGI, Kev. FGI is consolidating on 5 minute, right? I think it's trying to find some consolidation support in this area before next leg up, potentially. Next leg up is only $1 away, less than a buck. Yeah. It held here nicely, right? That was resistance here on this candle, then support, support, support again. So it's looking okay. Now, technically, on this 5, it's looking like it's trying to find a higher level of support potentially. And on the 1 minute, it's holding the 9 nicely, at least right now. So I think we're going to see this move over 8 soon. CYCU? What's that trading at right now? Oh, this thing's looking interesting. I might watch it later. Pre-market high. What this got up to? This was yesterday. Got up to 76 cents. Okay. SCKT just popped up on the scanner. Socket Mobile. Wow. What's going on here? Pre-market high 195, and we are now at 187, 190. SCKT popping up. BTCC came back down a bit. We're still green on it for now. Oh man, this thing is going. SCKT, you guys catch this? SCKT. I feel like FGI wants to go for more, probably. Let's gonna watch it. Right now, SCKT up on the main chart here. See kind of where this does for us. There, SCKT. I typically don't swing pennies, so you know that's a me thing. I probably won't try to. I would just try to day trade them personally, in and out. I just don't want to throw money and get stuck on these things. I've been burnt way too many times, so now it's just like I'm gonna stay away. But if you feel confident, man, then go for it. SCKT getting rocked here. See if you can find some support. BTCC back down. Wow, what's going on with BTCC? We were up, had a huge spike down there. This was still in the trade. This is just a wave. Maybe with some sell-off and a next wave up potentially. We'll see. I'll just monitor this. There goes FGI. This is consolidating on the 5, like you said, Kev. Looks like it. This thing's ready to roll. There, it's ready to rock. Nine is on the 5-minute chart. The 9 is creeping up on that VWAP. Might take a small position on it. Taking small position on FGI. We'll see what happens. Midnight 790. Although the volume's a little not so good, but a little bit of a gamble here. Liking the 5-minute candle though. I don't know if I'm going to hold on to this too long. We'll see. Not really up too much yet. $7.36. Where are you seeing 736? Down here? It's kind of like just above, just under VWAP. There it goes. Let's see if we get another spike here. Come on. I think this got a little bit more room on it. See if we can get 50 cents. There we go. There we go. There we go. Let's go. Gonna get out here. I'm getting out here. I got my 50 cents. We're good. Take this small little nibble. We're good. See what happens with BTCC. Yes, sir. Got that 850. I exited at 848. A small little nibble, little base hit. We'll take it. Let's see if BTTC can grind up for me. Still kind of just doing its thing here. It's okay. We'll hold on for now. Back to FGI. Esikite. What's this? NIXX. Not gonna watch this. SCKT. A little bit beaten up right now. Not trying to touch it. This wants more, bro. It's setting up for its next move. Did you guys catch anything yet? I'm gonna quickly look at my gold trade. Let's see what's going on. Riot. I'm actually down on this. I bought around $24 and slightly down. It's at 20. I'm thinking, do I want to add to the position and DCA on this a little bit? Not too sure. This is doing okay. 73 bucks, up over 80. I'll probably sell. Let's see what gold is doing. 87. I have a target of 90 for a sell on this. OFAL, good work, bro. OFAL, nice work. I didn't catch that. What's it trading at now? OFAL. Okay, 163. This is a pretty decent chart actually. I might watch this, man. FGI looks like it wants more right now, by the way. OFAL look okay, but the ticker tape's a little too slow for me. It's too stale. I'd like to see a little bit more action there. Volume's a little low right now. Looks like the 9 wants to curl up though over the VWAP, but I think I'm gonna stay away from OFAL for now. Let's go back to FGI. Okay, FGI wants $9 soon. I think it's gonna get it very, very soon. It needs to break out of 875 and we're good. There, it hit 9, man. Look at that. Boom. Should have stayed in a little longer, huh? Maybe I would have got a full dollar on that trade. Oh well. My BTTC is slightly down. I have trouble saying that. Why? Hey, Kev, you catch any of this or not? Oh, good work, man. You did catch some of it. Nice work. 45 cents on that? Solid. That's what I'm talking about. Good work. Everybody green right now? Mike green, Kev green, everybody green. I'm green too so far, although BTTC I'm slightly red on. I'm gonna hold it a little longer. We'll see. Yes, sir. So just, I don't know if you guys heard me earlier. So I'm only going to be live streaming Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays going forward. And going to be kind of working on some other content as well. So I just kind of need the time to like do that, get back in the gym, work on a few things. So yeah, that's kind of going to be the focus. BTCC getting kind of low here. I think I might exit. 75 cents under was my exit, but I think I'm gonna cut it short. I'll take the L. We'll take the L on BTTC. I was hoping for a little bit more. The move didn't really come. It's okay. Take the L on that one. It was up for a bit. I got too greedy. USIO popping up. No volume on this. Never mind, guys. YXT. These 2x ETFs now, they've turned everything into a casino. You can gamble on anything. Okay, let's see what we get here. You guys see anything? I'm not seeing much right now. Right this second. Yeah, a little quiet right this minute. There are things popping up, but it's just a bunch of noise right now. The scanner is doing something. OFAL back at 179. Such a wiki chart on the 1 minute. I think FGI wants more. It's trying to hold. It looks like it's holding. There goes FGI. One, it just spiked up to 930 there. I think it wants another push though. This thing is. Kev, you make the right calls, bro, but sometimes you don't stay in it or get in it. But you making the right calls, bro, from what I've seen over the past couple weeks here. Let's see if this will touch your $12 that you thought it might hit. Yeah, I see. I don't know if I'll jump back in on this, but it's up on the screen either way. Yeah, it's a long way down, man. OFAL. OFAL is moving. Mike, you jump back in this or not? OFAL is moving. Yeah. Fair enough. Might have to be patient, bro. Let's see if it can set up a few consolidation candles. Might have to wait a few minutes. See what it does over the next little while. Looks interesting though. It's got good volume. MACD looks pretty good on the 5. It was around here when you first mentioned it. I think you caught the trade, and I believe I looked at it around here and didn't jump in. Decided to move. I think I didn't jump in because I saw this. The volume didn't look so good around here. See? Yeah, I think you'll get your 10 on FGI, Kev. Probably gonna get it soon, man. I'm gonna watch this OFAL with Mike here and kind of see if there's a potential to jump in. I'm gonna wait and see. It's too bad we missed this opportunity here. Bro, it just spiked, man. It's too bad I missed this opportunity. Oh, this thing's going, man. It's gonna hit over 2 now. There it goes. Damn, we missed it, man. This would have been a good one. Roller popped up on my scanner, ROLR. Yeah, Roller does. High Roller Technologies secures exclusive prediction markets platform license and development agreement with MRKTS.com to advance Roller launch. What's up, Psycho? Good morning. How you doing, man? We're back at it today. There's a nice pullback, Mike. Let me see if it can get to EMA 20. Or does it go all the way back towards VWAP here? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Always keep it real. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stay away from FGI right now. I'm gonna watch this OFAL and see if I can jump in on it potentially. See what it does here. What's up, folks? Good morning. If you're tuning in, let me know where you're tuning in from. I got OFAL on the screen here, looking for a potential entry. Volume is coming in on this. May take a stab here. Taking a small position here at 185. Let's see what happens. Took a small stab at 185 on OFAL. We'll see what happens. Volume. We get some volume on this. And not good. See if it can hold EMA 20 179. If it loses VWAP, I will get out of the trade. So under 175, probably get out. Okay, that's not too bad. We got 5 minutes till 8. So let's see if this can push up and then head us up over $2 going into 8 a.m. Maybe we get some news. Yeah, I got lucky, bro. Good thing I got out. I was hoping for more on that. It just didn't work out. I'm pretty good at cutting. Like, if I'm down, I usually risk like 10-20 cents depending. And if I'm down, I'll quickly cut. My thing is I need to work on shorting. That's an area I need to improve. And then also I need to improve on holding trades longer, the winners. Those are areas of definite improvement in my game. So let's see if this can crack above. It seems to have some restriction here around 193 on the 5-minute chart. So if it can get up over that, that would be great. It's 194 here. So it's having trouble and it gets here and then it's coming back down. Let's see how this 5-minute chart sets up on it. What's it doing on the bigger time frame? On the 15-minute. Okay, it's looking okay on the 50-minute chart. Daily. Okay, let's watch it right now. See if he can get us over $2 on this. Looks like it wants to go. Oh yeah, you were saying earlier you got beaten up on it earlier. I guess that makes two of us now. I was up on it for a little bit, but it's like only 5% up, so I didn't really exit the trade. Haven't been catching any big moves today. Let's see where OFAL can take us. Man, I'm bummed I missed this move here. And Mike called it out too. Just should have I was hopping charts and then missed it, you know? Missed the move. Now we're trying to catch the move. FGA down. Are you gonna try to get some at this level? 792 or not? I'm just trying to play OFAL here, and I want it to crack $2. I think it's gonna. Maybe here comes 8 a.m.'s coming in very shortly here. Maybe we got a spike up. A minute away from 8 a.m. So let's see if this can spike up for us. There it goes. We got two. Just for a second. See if we can get some more. There it goes, 202, 205. This thing is moving. 201. I think I'm gonna take an exit here. Getting out here at 205. Okay, I'm out at 205. Got 20 cents on that one. I'm gonna switch back to FGI now. I'm gonna switch to FGI. VWAP sitting at $8 on the 1 minute. Watching SGI. Got back in, sorry, just pulled up FGI back up on the main screen. SLGB. think I've traded this in the packs. XHG moving. Oh yeah, this is moving. I don't know if I'm gonna play it though. Oh, what happened there? Pressed the wrong button, sorry. $113. This is looking interesting. See if we can get thanks Kev. Let's see if we can catch this, bro. You trying to play this? I might take a stab. Yeah. It's very wiki though. Look at this. I'm taking a stab here on it. 108. Ooh, this thing spiked real down. I'm gonna see if it holds here. Oh, fine. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. God damn. That was no good. I thought I could get a quick spike up. It went the wrong way. We tried, we failed. It is what it is. Yeah, I tried, bro. It just didn't work. I'm gonna stay away from it before I get into more trouble on it. Switching back to OFAL here. Damn, bro, I just missed it. Crazy. Of course, as soon as I Exit the trade, it decides to rip. Crazy, man. Crazy. Yeah, that was a hard to play. I got in around here. 108 actually, and then look, as soon as I got in, it just went on the downside, and I quickly exited. And I got scared, to be honest. What are you gonna do? QUCY. Yeah, I see QUCY got some news. 133. So it looks interesting. This thing popped. XHG is Chinese stock, right? It's crazy, but I don't see it on like my running up scanners or anything. I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Go back to OFAL. See if we can catch something on this. You didn't bounce. You didn't jump back into FGI, eh? Breaking news: TISI. Nothing good there. Looks like it's not too much of a active day today, to be honest. It seems a little slow this morning. If you're tuning in, let me know in the chat where you're tuning in from, what you're trading today. Are you green? Are you red? What's kind of going on? I'm back today. Trading the markets live. I'll be here Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays going forward. 7 to 11. I'll try to stay till 11 if it makes sense. If it's slow, then obviously we'll call it early to avoid risking losses from boredom and over trading. Don't really see anything right this second. Yeah, I see that spiking up here, HCTI. Healthcare triangle. This thing spiked, man. It's weird. I didn't get that news pop up my scanner. Crazy. Oh, my iron trade is doing good. It's up at 46 bucks. That's good. HCTI, let's see. Oh man, this thing just got slapped. Super wiki though. Do I want to take a risk on this? There comes some news here on TradingView. Oh man, getting demolished. Ooh, I think I might take a little snap on this. Very risky trade, FYI. Taking a small position on it in at 137 here. We'll see what happens. We're in 137 on HCTI. Trying to see some volume come in. It's holding VWAP so far. Let's see if... Okay. See if we can get up over 150 ideally. There we go. There we go. There we go. See if you can get up over 150 here on HCTI. Still in it. Oh man, came right back down. What's that all about? Still in it. I didn't sell. Oh my god, what's going on? It's super wicky, man. This was a risky trade though. It's crazy, okay? Yeah, you keep missing FGI. I'm gonna watch HCTI because I'm in on this at $1.37. I want over $1.50 is kind of what I'm looking for. If I can get 20 cents on this, this would be great. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. Let's keep going here. HCTI going, yes. There it goes. I'm looking for more. Looking for more. Getting greedy here. We're looking for more. Let's see if it can go. Don't like this though. See if it can push. Give us another push. Oh man. Yeah, it could dump. You're probably right. There it comes back down. Yeah, would have been. I didn't exit. Now back to where I was. Oh man. I got too greedy on it. I was trying to get 20 cents on it. See if it can hold here. Oh man, that's not good. Oh man. Now we're down. Let's find some buyers down here. This thing is so wicky. Look at this thing. Let's go. Man, this is so risky. This is on some absolute crazy shit. I'm still in it, you know. It's been a roller coaster ride so far on this thing. Yeah, I might spike again. I know. That's what I'm waiting for, that one spike, and then I'm gonna get out, bro. I'm waiting for this spike. It's back up overview up. Here it comes. Let's give me the spike. Up. I think here it comes. Let's go. Yeah, hopefully in the right direction. Exactly. Let's see. This is a tough trade. It's not clean at all. I just don't want to, you know, sell early like I did with earlier stock. I forgot what it was. X something. What is it? XHG. I got out, then it spiked all the way up. I missed it. The same kind of thing. I entered, and then it basically faked me out. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's fine. It's finding some resistance here at 150. Come on, bro. I know you want more here. Let's go. Oh, man. That's not good. This red candle is not looking too good. It's a huge red candle. A bunch of buyers just stepped in. It's okay, I'm holding it still. I'm gonna hold it through this nonsense. Let's see. I think I need to give this more room, you know? This is not looking too good right now. Under this 200 EMA 124, I'll take an L. Let's see. It's not looking good right now. Let's see if buyers come in. OFA making a move. What's up, the trader H3F? How you doing, man? Good morning. Where you calling in from? Or tuning in from? If you're tuning in, I'm in on HCTI, slightly down right now. We had a few wicks up. I could have got out, but couldn't exit. It moves very quickly. And then I got a little greedy, and I'm still in the trade right now. It's been a roller coaster of a trade. But you see on the 1 minute, I'm seeing slightly higher lows on these little wicks. So maybe that could be good. 5 minutes, we got higher lows too, but also lower highs, so that's not too good. I may get out of this on the next opportunity. Let's see if we can get back up over VWAP. Back up over VWAP, we might exit. Let's see how much we can get on this. Back up on the scanner, maybe that gets some people's attention. There we go. Come on, bro. Need more volume. Kev, what are you doing in this situation? You cutting it? You holding it? I'm back down again. Oy. I didn't trade this too well, to be honest. It was a risky trade to begin with. I should have quickly exited. That would have been the right move. Got greedy, and here we are. Okay, they got some more news just coming in, so that might help it. Might have to wait a little longer, maybe 8:30. 8:30 will give this a push. 8:30 news drop coming in. We're still in HCTI, wrestling with this. We've had some opportunities to take a profit. We got greedy. We're still in. Now we're slightly under. It's been all over the place. Super wicky. This 90 EMA is not looking good too. Okay, let's see if we can get a spike in the right direction. Hey. Cooled off a bit. I should have scalped it. Ay. Hey, nice work, Kev. Good work, man. That's proper. Did it have any news or no? Oh, sick. Green is green. I'm having trouble with this one, man. Should I take the small L and move on? Try to catch the next one. Let's see. On the 5, it looks like maybe it can hold this 90 EMA. So I'll stay in it a little longer. Let's see. Maybe this is the calm before the push up. We're only down a little bit. Now we're back up on even. We're staying in this trade for now. Maybe I found some bottom there. The mental game of trading, you know? How many times I thought about, oh, sell, buy, what? The mental game of trading. The vicious mental game of trading. There we go. We're at 831. We got Naka popped up with some news. It's trading at 515. Nakamoto reports second quarter 2026 financial and operating results. Not much there. AZIO coming up with some news. XTIA with some news. XTI Aerospace Drone Nerds expands public safety portfolio with DBOX autonomous drone docking system. That might be interesting. Trading at $1.62. XTIA. I'm still wrestling here with HCTI. Let's quickly check XTIA. No volume there, so I'm gonna go back to where I was. to get out of VWAP. You would sell, eh? But you're looking at MACD on the 1 minute, right? Back to even. See, I'm watching the MACD on the 5 minute right here. I'm gonna wrestle with it a little bit longer. We've been in, you know, we're 10 rounds in. What's 2 more rounds? Let's go the full 12 rounds with this thing and see what happens. You lose, it's fine. Maybe that's the wrong decision, but it is what it is. Trying to learn from it. Okay, DFSC popped up on the scanner. DFSC. Not looking too good here. Hey, now it's getting kind of interesting. I'm trying to curl over the 20 EMA. It's looking pretty stale, you know. I'm gonna just take the L. It is what it is. I closed for a loss there. We wrestled with it. Just didn't work out. XHG. Gringo is no longer here, man. We went our separate ways. XHG flying now. Yeah, we broke up, unfortunately. Sometimes you date and things don't work out, you know? $18.08. Yeah, it shows 18.08 on my chart here too, Mike. Look, pre-market high 18.08. It spiked up there. This might be something to watch. Let's watch it. What the? Yeah, bro, 18.08. I see that here too. It's a massive spread though. Well, not as much now, but the spread is kind of all over the place. Look at your broker. Look at the spread, bid-ask spread. It's all over the place. It's crazy. I'd be kind of careful with this one. I don't know. Did you guys catch this? Are you guys trying to jump on this? This one's interesting, man. Spreads still like all over the place. 1 second it's like 10-cent spread, next set 5-cent spread, then it can be a 20-cent spread. It's crazy. Oh man, those two people got burned, man. But maybe we got some move. It's coming up again, man. Might be worth a stab. Look at this thing move. Wow, wow, wow. XHG, folks. What is going on here? This is I can't trust the stock, man. This is too crazy. This is crazy. Mike, you got it? Good stuff, bro. Should I take a nibble? Should I take a nibble, guys? Sheesh. You guys are convincing me to take a nibble on this. Let's see where I can get in. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm getting in here at 475. See if I get lucky like you did. I'm in at 475 XHG. Can I get $1 too? This thing is wild. So risky. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing is crazy. Yeah, you called it, but you're moving around too many charts or tickers, bro. Yeah, I'm trying to get out pretty quickly if I can. Let me see. Okay, I'm out. I'm getting out here. Got filled at 505. I just got out. Didn't get much on it, but take a small win, I guess. This thing is hard to play, bro. Like, what do you do here? You're literally gambling at this point. Yeah, I got like a small win, very small win on that. 30 cents. This thing, we'll watch it just because it's interesting. I don't see anything else popping up right now. Wow. What the hell? Look at this thing, bro. How do you play this, man? If she had back up over 838. OFL made another move. HCTI back is still. What happened with HCTI? Oh, the good thing I got out of this when I did, bro. Look at this thing got beaten up. Jeez. Yeah, this thing is moving crazy. I can't trade this. It's very difficult. It's pretty much a gamble. That's, yeah, I think so. I think you're right, Kev. This pullback looks pretty good. Maybe a potential. I might even be a little crazy and take another risk at it. What we got before 9? It's not 9 a.m. yet, so I might try. Ooh, that second looks like it's pulling back further. If I can get in around 5:30 would be good. It's such a risky play, though. You know, is it worth the risk? Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna go for the risk here. We're in at 610. I'm in at 610. We'll see what happens. Very risky. There it goes. 40 cents. Let's see if, oh man, this thing is so crazy. I'm not gonna taste. I'm gonna stay in too long. See if I can get a little bit more. Oy. The volume doesn't look good, man. I feel like it's setting up a leg to... Looks like it's consolidating around here. Question, does it consolidate up or down? That is the question. Maybe 9 a.m. We'll see what happens with it. Yeah, it is very risky, I know. No risk, no reward, baby. We take some risks. We see what happens. Come on, come on. I think it's ready to roll. Hey, that's not good. That's not good. That's not good. I gotta get out here. We are exiting. Yikes, the risk did not pay out, guys. I'm out. Yikes. I got slapped. Got slapped on that one. Yeah, it's okay. We tried, bro. Just didn't work out. That was unfortunate. It was a risky trade to begin with, you know. But I took the risk. It is what it is. It's trying to hold $5 now. Just broke $5. Your FGI is moving again. This thing is moving again. It's curling too, nicely. Came back up over VWAP. It's looking pretty good, actually. Might see some resistance here. 970. Oh, it's just. Yeah, this looks good. See if it can crack 10. 970 pre-market high. Yes, sir. If you can break that 970 pre-market high, the dash line, the dash blue lines on my chart, could be a potential breakout opportunity on FGI if you guys are looking to get into something. I'm gonna take BTCC off my How you guys doing today? Mike, Kev, you guys green? I'm a little red right now. I was green. Took a risky play on that trade earlier on XHG, and that caught me. Didn't pan out. That was a risk, though. I feel you. Hey, green better than red, bro. Not every day can be, you know, peaches and cream, I guess. I'm gonna be right back. I just need to use the washroom. I'll be right back, guys. All right. I'm back. Man, I just saw like on Twitter or X, crazy little stat there. 72% of Gen Z are dependent on their parents for money. Crazy. And now, yeah, what is going on with XHG now? This is one crazy stock. What is going on here? Look at this crazy stock, man. Should I try again? Should I try one more time? We got burned by before. feel like jumping in, but I know I shouldn't. This is too crazy. I'm gonna stay away, guys. I can't trade this thing. It's too crazy. I don't really see anything else. We'll watch it though. I don't know if I'm gonna jump in though. It's just too crazy. Yeah, the 5-minute chart does look interesting. The 1-minute chart looks okay too, you know? This is a hella risky trade. I got burnt by it once. Not trying to get burnt again, but I feel like it wants to go. This is just so hard to trade. Could be. I'm just gonna watch it, bro. I already lost on it. I'm not gonna jump back in. This is hard to play this. It's got crazy spreads, weird action. It spiked up to $18 pre-market. Like, what the hell is going on? DFSC popping up on my scanner. We got some news coming in here. Okay. AIMT, I know, surpasses 878 million real world data points. Okay, not much there. RENX popping up. Volume a little low right now, but RENX popping up. Cint Technologies regains compliance with NASDAQ stakeholders equity requirement. Interesting. So this is one of those companies that has to hit that threshold. It looks like they got back on. Not seeing anything else right now. Let me know if you guys see anything right now in the chat. I'm not seeing too much. I'm gonna pull up XHG again. $9 a.m. Pretty slow day, slightly red. It's holding this level, bro. I feel like I want to enter. Man. I feel like I want to enter. I feel like it wants to go, but I don't know. What's up if you're just tuning in? Good morning. Happy Thursday. I'll be here live Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern, trading small caps momentums live. Not too sure. TFSC 214. Why? This is not good. Got burned by this earlier. Let's see what this is doing. This is doing nothing. What's SCKT doing now? Also nothing. FRGT, not much. GXAI. Okay, just trying to get back up over VWAP. Could be interesting. I'll watch GXAI right now. XHG now dropped to 550. Not much moving right now. I got GXAI up on the chart, looking for a potential entry. We're slightly down today, red day. Took a gamble on XHG earlier, didn't pay off. Took 2 trades on it. The first one was green, that was risky. The second one was more risky, and that one didn't work out. "25 minutes till market open." Pretty slow right now. You guys drink coffee in the morning? What do you guys do when you're trading? Tea, coffee, Red Bull? What's going on over there? Decaf. Okay, okay. Hey, okay, I see. I drink black coffee, as dark as I can get it. I'm taking it. Mike, decaf. Why decaf, bro? You don't want that spike in caffeine, huh? Yeah, that's what I figured, bro. I kind of need it, to do this show, to kind of, otherwise it would be kind of boring if maybe I'm not talking and don't have some don't have some coffee in me. Caffeinated coffee, black. Sometimes though, I think the coffee makes me definitely emotional and maybe over trading and taking risk where I shouldn't, for sure. Pretty slow right now. 907. LGHL later. Okay, we'll see. Let's see how it goes. What's the heat map saying right now? NVDA up 3%. Apple slightly down. MU's having a good day. Market's more red than green, I would say. SPY saying trading at 772. My gold trade is almost there. Watch FGI here at $8.64 and GXAI. Would like to see this cross back over view up for potential maybe entry. Breaking news here on ICCM. $3.11 right now. Not much volume. IceCure highlights 2 new peer-reviewed publications supporting cryoablation in breast cancer treatment. XHG made another spike. Let's go back to it for a second. Did you guys jump on this? I feel like this is ready for a squeeze, man. This is just hovering here. Maybe during market open, this can make a nice jump. I kind of feel like taking a small position. Taking a small position. What do you think? Should we take another stab or stay away? This thing is very interesting. All right, Mike. See you at the bell. Kev, I don't know. You trying to jump in on this? And I'm not seeing much, bro. I kind of want to get in on something. I don't know what. I feel like taking a stab on this. A small position. I should not though. VIVK just popped up. Yeah, VIVK, I saw that pop up. Not much though, it didn't do anything. It's still under VWAP too. Strategic collaboration to advance U.S. critical minerals supply chain. But it didn't do much. FNGR. I'm not seeing FNGR on my scanner right now. Yeah, very interesting. But the chart hasn't reflected anything. Look at the chart. And volume is not that much. What's it look like here? Yeah, VK probably strapped for crash. Let's see if it makes a move here, bro. I don't think I'm gonna trade it though. Looks a little stale. Maybe it'll wake up. I don't think this is a trade here. Not seeing no momentum. I'm gonna go back to watching XHG. We are 10 minutes to open. This is back under now. Trading under 9 and 20 on the one. Yeah, they'll probably get delisted. I think this gonna spike at market open. I really feel like it. You know, with this pre-market sitting at 18 bucks, I feel like market open this thing might spike. Yeah, SPY looking nice. SPY and Nasdaq looking good. I feel like, you know, I think this will maybe spike. Maybe if I can get a good entry, I might take a stab, man. Let's see what happens. Market opens in 10 minutes. Do I want to gamble just before market or nah? That is the question. FGI might spike too, man. FGI's looking okay actually on the 1 and the 5. It's kind of consolidating in this area right now. ONDS was a good. I did a swing on this a little while ago. I'm out of the trade now, but still moving in the right direction. Let's see. Let's see. I'll put FGI on the screen. Let's see if it spikes that open. No positions open for me right now. Down 9% for the day. I think XHG is going to go too. 5 minutes to open. Got FGI up on this main screen here. 5 minutes, 4 minutes to open now. Kind of seeing what we can jump into, if anything. Crypto news, they have another. Trezor just released some difficult news. One of their shipping providers has experienced a data breach that exposed sensitive order data. This affects new customers in US, UK, Sweden, Colombia, Brazil, Italy, and Portugal who received an order within the last 90 days. Crypto just keeps getting pounded with breaches, hacks, stolen wallets, stolen funds, this, that. It's just crazy. Yeah, DFSC's been popping up on the scanner, bro. But man, this chart's looking. Oh, I don't know why I have delayed data on this one. Oh, I need to turn TSX back on. That's why. I don't really trade on the TSX. I have it on my broker though. It's just not on. What is it called? On TradingView. It's moving 250 now, DFSC. Yeah, I'll wait till after open too and see kind of what's going on. There's DFSC with the correct Oh man, it just spiked, bro. Look at that. Market is open. Bing, ding, ding. Let's go. Let's see what we got. FGI here. Let's see what this does. Selling off FGI. XHG also on the down right now. Lots of things popping up on the scanner. Let's see what happens at 9:35. Oh, you got into DFSC, bro? Bro, you nice work, Mike. That's the thing, bro. You got to take the chance, right? As long as you're willing to cut your loss quick, you should be okay. Good work, man. That's usually my thinking. I'll jump in, and if I gotta chop a leg, I'll chop a leg and worry about it at that point. $259, good stuff, man. What's it at? Let me switch this to DFSC. Oh man, it halted at 3. Where did you sell this at? Oh shit, you changed XHG, sorry. Still long on it? It's getting slaughtered. It's down to 5. It's moving now though. I'm gonna wait till 9:35 in the next little bit here and figure out what I want to do. Still long on DFSC, not XHG. Okay. 9:35. We got orb on my 5-minute chart. Watching that. Not really too sure what I want to jump into. Not seeing anything like really clean. FGI got slaughtered, bro. What happened to FGI? FGI on the downside. This thing got demolished. Yeah, I might, you know, if I can't find the trade, I'm not going to force it right now. Just scrolling through my broker real quick. Okay, XHG is moving now. Let's see if we can squeeze out of this area and crack above orb. Above 645. Watching XHG. Looking for an entry on it potentially. It looks like it's moving. Volume is coming in. Looks interesting. Although this is a very risky trade, so I don't know. Yeah, FGI got slapped. FGI halted now. FGI has halted. Okay, there goes XHG. Look at that push, man. Did this halt? Yeah, XHG halted too. Yep, XHG halted. I was watching it here. That was the risk, you know. Should I have entered around 580? I was thinking. I didn't jump in. Oh well, we missed that one. FRGT. I'm gonna switch to FRGT. I was trying to curl out of orb low. I'm not really liking this chart. What about GXAI? Okay, GXAI. This is interesting area. It's not looking too bullish. Not looking too good here either. I'm gonna switch back to FGI. See if there's anything there. It's cracked orb low as well. Not really liking this setup either. I'm gonna switch back to XHG and kind of watch what it does after the halt. Does this continue going up? DFSC still moving, now at 280. MOBX just popped up on my news feed. trading at 158. It's got volume. MOBX Lab Science Transformational Rare Earth Acquisition Agreement. That could be something. MOBX. It's looking interesting. Although level 2 is a little flat right now. Man. Super slow right now. SCKT popping up on my scanner again. Okay, this just peeked out of orb here. This looks interesting. I like SCKT maybe. VWAP's at 179. I'd like to see more volume though. There's not enough volume on this thing. Are you guys both green today, eh? Guys doing good. I'm not really seeing much right now to jump on. Ooh, curry looks interesting actually. CURI? That was up on my scanner earlier. Missed this move a little bit. Yeah, I feel you, man. DFSC, I'm gonna stay away for now. Oy. This thing's falling off too. CURI on the downside. FGI turning back around. Man, XHG got slapped down to 480. Yeah, I don't think right now chasing anything is the right idea. I'm just keeping it cool. I'm slightly down for the day, so I'm just gonna chill. I don't really see anything really setting up, so it's what it is. I kind of look over what's Spy doing. Spy just hit 776, almost 77.7. It's gonna hit a new high very shortly there. Probably get 780 today. Spy. ASTS went on the downside, now 73 and change. ONTS just got slapped. What's going on with gold? This is slightly down right now. Okay. FGI moving here. Five minutes till 10. INBS popping up on the scanner here. Not much volume. Pretty. Not seeing too much here. Yeah, you were mentioning QUCY earlier. Did you catch that or not? With good RVol. This IMBS has decent relative volume, but I don't. Floats 2.3 million, but I'm not finding it too interesting. It might be a red day for me. I think probably gonna, unless we find something to get us out of the red day. I'll be right back here. All right, I'm back, but I don't see much going on here. Did I miss anything? DFSC moving again, 244. Don't really see anything really to trade. I'm gonna probably just chill. Yeah, I'm not trusting that either. Did this get halted now? FGI? Yep, FGI is also halted. SpaceX down today, 2.7%, trading at 142 now. This thing has been interesting. NBIS still going back up to 270, up 4% today. My goodness. There goes OFAL. OFAL moving right now. S&P with a new record high. S&P SPY. S&P 500 SPY with a new record 778 all-time high. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, FGI could. Let's see what happens with FGI. Just got OFAL on the screen now. Watching this. Just spiked up out of VWAP. Let's see if it can hold VWAP. Let's see if I can get in on this somewhere, some way. Potentially. Looking here. High day 186. Pre-market high up at 208. This could be interesting. Right now 180. Might take a small position. Take a stab on this. Kev, you got any open trades right now or just watching, scanning? Looking for your next entry. Previous day high here, 379. Interesting. Let me know what happens with FGI. I'm just gonna watch OFAL for now for potential entry. I don't know. We'll see. XHG is getting slapped now, under $4. It's trading at 380 now. $12 plus FGI, eh? Just got 1030 now, bro. I can't chase this though. It halted up again. Why did you hesitate? What was kind of your thinking process there? What made you hesitate? Because you know, during market hours, unlike pre-market, you can put the stop loss. With pre-market, you really can't. You have to, everything's limit, right? Yeah, I got you. You didn't wait. But even if it gets, I guess, okay. You know, I guess you would have to put a super tight stop so that you don't really get caught in the halt down. Maybe instead of a 7%, maybe you're even tighter, maybe around 5%. XHG back up over $4 now. Not looking too good though. Yeah, fair. I agree with you there. It's not giving it enough room to move, right? Bro, I'm not seeing anything to jump into today. Or at least right now. The last hour or so has been kind of dead. It's been booty. Absolute booty right now. Ain't seeing nothing. XHG. Hard to play this. Not even worth looking at. Okay. OFAL making some noise. Okay. Can this get up over orb? I'd like to see this up over 180. Okay, it's coming back up to 180 here. Might take a stab here on OFAL. Still waiting. I want to see it hold. I'm going to take a small stab on OFAL. Oh, let's see what happens. take a stab. Let's see, bro. I have to give it some time to do its thing. This might be grindy trade though. High of day at 101.86. Pre-market high at 208 though. What's up, guys? Good morning. If you're tuning in, we are in OFAL right now. Trying to make something pretty interesting trading day for sure. Slightly red for the day, slightly red on this position right now. If I don't catch anything on this, I might call it a day. Did you get in or nah? Kev, on FGI? Did you jump back in after the halt or nah? Yeah, it's been a tough day to trade, to be honest. Look at XHG now, back up to 465. That's a tough one to trade too, man. It's got wide spreads. It's kind of tough to trade. There isn't anything clean and easy this morning. I think most of the the wins, if you got in, you're kind of gambling, to be honest. There might have been some clean entries, but not many. Let's see if OFAL can turn the ship around for me. I needed to get out of this high day at 186. If we can get up and out of there. Orb is high as at 180. It's kind of where I bought. So I'm looking for a push up. If I can get 10 cents on this trade, I'm happy. Got a little greedy, should have been up. Yeah, HTZ has been doing crazy, bro. This thing has been just been continuing clean. This is one of those ones you could swing, right? Let's go OFAL. Nothing here either. Let's see if this can get us going. $0.05 down on this. I think I'm gonna exit. We'll take the L. Yep. It's just not working out. Take the L on that. Yeah, you're right, man. Too unpredictable. I took another L here on OFAL. I tried to make something out of nothing, to be honest. Didn't work out. That's it for me. I don't think I'm gonna take another trade today. You know, a little bit of a red day. What, down 12% for the day? A little bit of a red day. It's fine. Be back at it on Tuesday. I will not be here tomorrow. So new schedule going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'll see you guys Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, 7 to 11. You guys have a good one. I'll be in the Discord. I will probably take 1 or 2 trades tomorrow. I just won't be streaming on Mondays and Fridays anymore. And I'm going to work on some other content to share with the channel and kind of take it from there. Mike, Kev, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys. You guys have a good one. And yeah, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay green. And I'll catch you guys later. Thanks. Peace out.